The street ahead is earthed with a groove here and a stone there. Brush keeps a good separation on the correct side, the edge on the left bit by bit falls away into the valley beneath. The review is nothing your treadmill couldn't copy and footing is quite great. Truly, a couple in their Subaru Crosstrek could spring up here for an excursion. The 2019 GMC Sierra AT 4-wheel driving is thusly finished pointless success. However, in any event it looks like it as it walks up this uniquely verdant mountain with San Diego out there toward the north and Mexico toward the south. Its unique, de-chromed AT4 grille has an intentional appearance, yet elegantly does not have the hotshot machismo of Ford and Ram's going 4x4 romping models. The Ridto snares are a decent touch and the dim-highlighted 20-inch wheels enclosed by off-road elastic are only the correct size underneath a suspension that is raised an additional 2 crawls from each other Sierra. That would be one of the key components that separates the AT4 as the Sierra's going dirt road romping model, GMC's response to the Chevy Silverado's trail boss trims. Truth be told, their mechanical improvements are indistinguishable. Other than the 2-inch lift, the suspension includes rough terrain tuned Rancho monotube stuns. There's additionally a locking back differential, a 2-speed exchange case, slip plates and those toe snares. The 5.3-liter V8 with dynamic fuel management is comparatively standard, however not at all like the Silverado Trail Boss. The Sierra AT4 offers the 6.2-liter V8 useful for 420 strength and 460 pound-feet of torque as a generally $2,500 alternative. That is the motor we have and it conveys the normal punch, total with the satisfyingly growling fumes note. In any case, as saw in consecutive drives with these two accessible motors amid the Silverado Dispatch, the 6.2 absolutely isn't fundamental. The 5.3-liter is genuinely proficient and the greater motor is to a great extent for the individuals who need to have the greatest number conceivable decorated on the bumper. It's needless excess, which in this specific condition, is fitting. Other than the accessible motor overhaul, the AT4 additionally goes past its Trail Boss partner by dunking into the Sierra Denali's tool compartment. Its multi-pro rear end is standard hardware, taking into account 6 distinct setups, the most prominent of which incorporate 2 methods for all the more effectively venturing into the bed and a drop-down advance that slides section into the bed. GMC's impressive touting of that last component is overflowing with false reverence given GM commercials that taunted Ford's comparative element. Multi-Pro in fact has more noteworthy usefulness, including a further update that implants inside it a couple of speakers, simple sound controls, and USB and O inputs. It's sourced from marine applications and seems as though its sound quality is worthy, if somewhat tinny, however to back-end purposes, it would be a pleasant expansion. Particularly since the bed's standard 120 volts electrical plug-in that jack would give you a chance to connect a TV back there, while GMC's standard 4G LTE Wi-Fi makes it conceivable to stream live TV through something like YouTube. Your rear-end gathering could now highlight the pre-amusement appear. Another Denali bed highlight is the discretionary carbon fiber Carbon Pro bed. GMC says it offers standout imprint, scratch and erosion opposition. Our AT4 didn't have it, however then we additionally overlooked our corroded grapple at home. A test for one more day, maybe. The Denali's bed highlight substance ought to be a piece of information that the AT4, base cost $52,295, is just accessible as an upper trim dimension. The Trail Boss offers base custom and update LT renditions. In spite of the fact that Multi-Pro and Carbon Pro are imparted to Denali, alongside warmed and ventilated front pail situates, whatever remains of AT4's standard highlights are very lined with the lower SLT trim dimension. The Denali's different additional items, standard mishap shirking tech, Bose sound framework, coordinated roof framework, remote cell phone charging and 8-inch check group show, are choices. You likewise get a dubiously carbon fiberish trim on the middle support and entryways versus the Denali's enigmatically woodish trim, however as both are plastic. Does it truly make a difference? The Sierra Lodge's quality and configuration keep on disappoint, particularly in an upper trim this way. Out and about, the AT4's additional stature doesn't nullify the new Sierra's shockingly agile feel. Possibly agile is too solid a term, however relatively representing a full-measure truck, it alters course with balance and doesn't overpower. A fairly little directing wheel helps in such manner, as does the enhanced rackets associated with for 2019. Ride quality is likewise fine and dandy given the suspension's rough terrain mission. Maybe the Ram 1500 and its loop spring suspension would be clearly cushier when driven consecutive, however in a vacuum in any event, San Diego County's not exactly consummate streets didn't surface any tedious conduct. The Denali's attractively controlled flexible dampers would be even better, however you likewise shouldn't modest far from the AT4 as a result of them. What's more, extremely, the AT4 ought to be viewed as an option in contrast to Denali. GMC surely assumes thus, as it is spreading the AT4 trim all through its lineup of trucks and SUVs to give clients an alternate kind of premium trim dimension. Rather than extravagance and chrome, you get unmistakable quality and toughness. As of now, it's a methodology that is working. The Sierra AT4 has demonstrated prevalent among 2019 Sierra clients, remaining on merchant parcels just 15 days overall before being sold, a relatively brief time. Are those purchasers prone to exploit the additional rough terrain potential? History and market patterns would demonstrate something else. How regularly do you see filthy Jeep Trailhawk models? However should they attempt, we can in any event affirm the AT4 can handle progressively genuine landscape. Afterward, GMC set up an increasingly no-nonsense rough terrain challenge with a lofty rough slope that really tested the four-wheel drive and additional ground freedom. As anyone might expect, it breezed through decisively. The most great remove was really the various cameras incorporated into the AT4's technology bundle, explicitly the one in front, that enables you to adequately observe through the solid hood, and effectively explore yourself around generally concealed obstacles. Without it, a fairly terrible rock would have removed a piece from that extraordinary AT4 grille. There's additionally a rough terrain inclinometer that demonstrates the truck's present tilt and front tire point in the check group and, if so prepared, the tremendous shading head-up presentation. On the off chance that innovation like that may really rouse the individuals who buy the AT4 generally for its style to attempt their hands at the sort of thing the truck is expected for in any case. Ideally they do, in light of the fact that needless excess can get horrendously exhausting.